Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne from Hertfordshire Family Centre Service from Broxbourne. Today I'm going to read you spider sandwiches. They don't sound very nice, but this is all about a monster called Max. I love this story. It's by Claire Friedman and Sue Hendra. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Oh. Do come to tea with Max. He has a monster appetite. He eats some yucky mucky food. His meal times are a fright. There he is. He's opened the door and he's saying, "Come in for tea." This is Max. Do you know what colour Max is? That's right. He's green. He's a big furry green monster called Max. Shall we find out what yucky mucky food he likes? He loves to glug slug milkshake through a stinky hosepipe straw. And as for beetle biscuits, he'll always munch once more. Look, can you see his biscuits? They've got beetles in them. And this is his glug slug milkshake. And can you see his straw? It looks a little bit like a snake. Ugh. Yeah. Oh. For breakfast every morning, he chews toenail scrambled egg, then guzzles down a smoothie made from squidge grasshopper legs. Look, can you see all the grasshoppers? Oh, dearie me, I've never had a grasshopper smoothie. I don't know about you. And look, can you see his toenail scrambled egg? Oh my gosh. Ooh. He buys his snacks on the internet from as far away as space. Spiky space ants, moon glue globs are all stuffed in his face. Can you see? Well, I didn't know you could order food from the internet from space. Look, there's moon glue globs and spicy space ants. Oh dear, I'm not sure about eating those. What do you think? Let's have another look. Oh, there's Max there. Look, I wonder what he's eating. By lunchtime, Max is starving. Scrummy lice rice. I can't wait. He slurps it up super fast before the lice leave his plate. Look, can you see all the little bugs in his rice? Can you see it? Wow, look at that. I don't know if I'd want to eat lice rice though. And do you know what these are called that he's using? That's right, they're chopsticks. Oh, look. He brought the Monsters cookbook for some recipe ideas. The best was slime-illed noodles served with hairy fried bat's ears. Oh my gosh, look. Can you see all his noodles? So these are his slime-illed noodles. Look, he made a little bit of a mess. And what else was there? Oh, hairy bat's ears. So wherever oh look, there they are. Can you see them? He's got them in the bowl because he's reading his cookery book. Oh, I've got cookery books, but they haven't got things like that in. Mine have got cakes in and things and pasta dishes, not noodles, slime-illed noodles. Oh, what's he doing here? That's right, he's having a picnic. Pickled worms and squashed fly jam. Max beams, hooray, yes please. He spreads them on his crackers with smelly fish-eyed cheese. Oh, dearie me. Look, let's have a look. So there's the fish eyes, look, can you see? Oh, look, there's a fish tail in that one. Oh, he's got mucky there. And look, he spread it on his cracker. Oh, there's a nice little cupcake there. That doesn't look like it's got a bug or anything on. Look, he's having a picnic with his friends. Oh, look, can you see the worm jam? Wow. Oh, oh, so delicious, gurgles Max with a massive goo-filled grin. Cold, crunchy cockroach curry dribbling down his chin. Oh, look, he's made a curry out of cockroaches. Oh, can you see them all? No. Oh, Oh, look, he's got worms in his butter. Oh, there's some caterpillars. Oh dear. Oh, can you see them? Look, they're all up the page and in the... Oh, dearie me. He does love some yucky, mucky food, doesn't he? Oh, what's he doing now? Oh, he looks like he's at the seaside. That's nice. Tadpole ice cream, snail trail sauce. Things that squirm and slurp. They all mix in his tummy. Look out, here comes a burp. Oh, dearie me, he's a rude Max, isn't he? Look, can you see him? Is there some crabs? Oh, what's this? That's right, there's sharks. And this is a octopus. Do you know how many legs an octopus has got? Yes, 8. That's a lot, isn't it? Oh, wow. And look, can you see that crab? He's trying to get away so that Max doesn't eat him in a sandwich. Oh, look, he's gone shopping. Rat's tail pizza, blue mould chips, bug burgers are a treat. But when it comes to tea time, there's just one thing he likes to eat. Should we have a look to see what's in the shop? Oh, dear. Look, this one, he's been waiting and he's now gone in the shop and look at his trolley. He's got some mice crispies and a wrap pizza. Oh, what else have we got here? Oh, crunchy nut corns, sugar guffs, mud sauce, look. What's that one? Earwax, oh dear. Scarios, beetle bix. Well, when I go shopping, I don't see things like that when I'm in the shop. Oh, and frozen bees, look. Right, so it says there's one thing he really likes to eat. Should we find out what that is? Oh, squidgy spider sandwiches. He shoves them in so fast. He eats their head and sticky webs, but saves their legs till last. Oh, look at that. Can you see that ginormous spider sandwich? They're his favourite thing for dinner. Wow. Well, I don't like spider sandwiches. I don't think I'd want to eat one of them. Do you? What's your favourite dinner? That sounds lovely. Right, let's have a look. Now it says Max will eat up anything that oozes, gunk and gloop. But even monsters gasp, no thanks, when they're faced with... Should we find out what Max doesn't like? Oh, green sprout soup. Look, can you see the soup? And there's Max, he's running away going, no, thank you. Look, and there he's gone. Oh, dearie me. Oh, gosh, look, can you see all the spiders on the back page? Wow, there's lots there, isn't there? Well, I don't know. He does like lots of mucky, yucky food, doesn't he? I'm glad I don't like yucky, mucky food. Well, maybe you can have a think about what you like. Maybe you could make your own spider, maybe out of an egg box or some paper, or maybe you could draw one. You could even draw Max the monster, because although he's a monster, he's a very friendly monster. He just likes yucky, mucky food. Maybe I'll come back another day, because there's some more books all about Max. They would be nice to hear, wouldn't they? So I'll say goodbye to you now, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.